Hello everyone. So today is 22nd of November and as we have discussed in yesterday's video, so this was yesterday's video. So I clearly mentioned that since this like FIIs have bought calls, so there was a chance that we could see some up move and but overall they were still carrying their short positions like call writing positions. The if I mean prop decks का तो बहुत huge call writing positions था. सो आई मीन और एफ आई आईज का भी था बट कल अचानक से मतलब इन लोग एफ आई आईज ने दे सडनली बॉट कॉल्स ओके सो द रीजन ऑल्सो आई स्टेटेड इन this thumbnail as well as you can see that I said that FIIs were buying calls to save their future short positions so to hedge क्यों कल एक इवेंट्स डे था सो फेड देयर वाज दिस फेड मीट so I think they thought that if suddenly market pumps up like again 100 to 150 points which is very getting common very common these days so I think for that reason they suddenly took those call buying positions but in the morning they started closing those call buying positions and but still like what happened was they did not close those call buying positions at a loss in Nifty. They took market up in the morning and then they started closing those call buying positions and then finally like if you see our money flow indicator so here first it was the money flow was positive okay and then from like as you can see like here from 10 a.m. onwards things started coming down okay the money flow started coming down and finally Nifty also came down but the main major point was and for talking about Bank Nifty there was a gap and then finally Bank Nifty also came down. Bank Nifty as we have already discussed during these days like Bank Nifty is looking weak and we will discuss more about it so yes the thing is that and so yes even you can go and check this timestamp in the video I clearly said that first up move and since the short positions are also being carry forwarded if I prop decks का तो huge call writing positions था 90,800 पे so that's why like some consolidation should go on and then if like this put writing positions or huge call writing is going on then things will come down finally things should come down that I told and everything followed as you can see today and things came down but ultimately recovered but that's not like everything you can't say that even after falling down it will recover or whatever so the thing is that whatever we analyze that exactly followed okay so apart from that there can be something else as well but I hope my analysis are helping you all now talking about the main thing that is yes today here yesterday as you know I told you that stop loss was hunted yesterday so what is happening these days is like whichever side is having huge OI the highest open interest that side is being hunted like even yesterday also as you saw that 90,800 CE their call writers were hunted and today in the morning if you have noticed कि 90,800 put side पे सबसे ज़्यादा highest open interest था so then finally like आप कहोगे कि बैंक निफ्टी नीचे आ गया तो इसलिए निफ्टी नीचे आ गया so that is also not very true because Bank Nifty came down a lot but Nifty में कुछ मतलब Nifty was staying at 90,800 to 90,000 there's 775 okay so it was not like मतलब मैं नहीं झुकूंगा मतलब that was the attitude of Nifty in the morning so I won't come down so something like that attitude Nifty was having okay so but anyways Nifty as you saw finally again it came down hit the stop loss of the call put writers on the put side because put writers today thought that yeah we are very safe and retailers were on the put writing side and yeah it came down and it hit and again went up okay so yes even like as I said yesterday that analysis is fine but why they have bought calls the FII so we should be careful so I was very careful though here I got some signals that call writing positions the call buying positions were being closed so they were being closed at 72.75 but still like I had to be cautious because they are still closing okay and put writing was also being done that's why finally as you saw like finally it recovered sharply as well So talking about the main thing is that I was waiting here. So it's this level as my level, that is 19,762. So here, as you can see, like at this point, 1218. Okay, so here it started breaking this level, this zone, and then as a breakout trade, I took this 19,750 at 38. You can just go and check the price at that moment, and 19,800 at 61. Okay, and then like you can see that it just took 8 minutes to both of them to go double. Like this, like I closed it at 76, but while I closed it, it jumped to 81. Okay, so and also this closed at 111, but it straight away jumped to 120. So, but nothing, you could do nothing about that. But anyways, like we closed almost at the top price. So this 38, as you can see, it's 2x, and the 61 is also like at almost 2x. So much more than 2x we got today. So means I got today, and that was it. Further, I did not take any trade. Yeah. So the thing is that even while this level was breaking, so I saw that Bank Nifty was also trying to break the 43,354, and that's why I saw that it's a strong it's a good trade to take, and that's why I went for it. Now talking about the charts, and also from the morning, Nifty money flow was also negative. And talking about Bank Nifty money flow, so Bank Nifty was also weak, and finally there was recovery in both. Talking about the recovery and everything, so coming to the charts, so if you can, yeah, just a second. Yeah, so yeah, so talking about the charts here, that is like you can very well see that technical analysis would give you some mixed signals on 15 minutes chart. If you see here, that is if you look at from this angle, so there is some RSI breakout. So it might be like we can have a breakout, but here it's like if you see this line, so there it's almost flat, giving a resistance. But again here we are having if you join the dots from here to here, so it's giving a bearish signal. So technical analysis like RSI divergence is giving mixed signals in Bank Nifty as well. If you go to the 15 minutes chart, if you see here, that is we have a hidden bearish divergence here. So Bank Nifty, as we know, it's again weak. It's indicating weakness for a few days, and again the important levels, as you all know, has been discussed a lot of times. So as you can see very well today, after breaking 43,590, it came down to the next level, 43,354. Okay, so if this level is again taken down, then 42,975 is the next support, and these supports and zones are working fine. And even for Nifty, things like would concentrate around 19,800. So now the next thing is that since technical analysis is also not giving a direct view, so maybe like 19,848 we have to watch till there. So if that breaks, then we are heading towards the upper side. Otherwise, that's the maximum range for now, and things can come down after touching that. So if it goes further above, okay. And so talking about the charts, we have talked about there, and FIIs again have sold. For Gift Nifty, it's like almost flat, as you can see. And now coming to the major data, that is EOD data. So EOD data, if you can see, futures में mainly FIIs ने long positions लिया है आज, लेकिन these are not huge positions, okay. So you can neglect them. Overall, they have huge future short positions still intact. So again, as I said, that ये futures का जो positions है, they will get activate. They will become active about those positions in the last week, which is the starting Friday, this Friday. Even on, I think, Monday we have a holiday, so next week we have one day less. So now coming down to PropDex भी मतलब अभी confused है. आप देख रहे हो कि futures में long भी बनाया है, short भी बनाया है. So almost आप कह सकते हो कि same amount positions taken as long as well as short. Now talking about option chain में अगर आप देखोगे तो ह्यूज कॉल राइटिंग पोजीशंस जो एफआईआईज ने सॉरी प्रॉपडेक्स ने बनाया था बैंक निफ्टी में, सो दे हैव क्लोज दोज पोजीशंस एंड also I mean FIs have also closed those futures I mean sorry not futures जो बैंक निफ्टी में शॉर्ट पोजीशंस बनाया था इन लोग ने कॉल राइटिंग, सो दे हैव क्लोज्ड एंड नाउ ओवरऑल इफ यू सी प्रॉपडेक्स और FIIs ओवरऑल दोनों तरफ इन लोग का सेम अमाउंट ऑफ पोजीशंस है और कल का जो कॉल बाइंग पोजीशन था वो भी क्लोज हुआ है. इधर आप देख सकते हो कि दे हैव क्लोज ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ कॉल बाइंग पोजीशन. सो those were because yesterday night was an events day, so Fed meet was there, so that's why like to safeguard their positions they had taken those huge call buying positions which they closed today in the first half. Now talking about today here, that is overall you can see that this is the amount of put writing, this is the amount of put buying. So FIs का अभी भी कुछ put buying amount है but that's not in huge quantity, but and also you can see they have this call writing positions but PropDex का थोड़ा opposite view है इधर option chain में. So they have put writing amount in huge quantity, very less of call writing positions and also put buying भी है इन लोगों का. कल जैसे हम लोग डिस्कस किए थे कि PropDex का put buying भी है, okay, and yes and but they have call writing so position. So finally things came down today and in the mid just before the recovery, let's think about that, it came down, right? So talking about here, that is like again overall if you see PropDex इन लोगों का कॉल बाइंग पोजीशंस है और पुट बाइंग पोजीशंस भी है, लेकिन आप सोच सकते हो कि मतलब सारे PropDex तो मिलके पोजीशंस नहीं बनाए. So think like this that you have to think in every way possible. So कुछ PropDex अभी भी bearish है, they have done like as you can see they are also buying futures, they are taking future short positions. तो उन PropDex लोगों ने मतलब put buying किया है, लेकिन overall PropDex का put writing positions भी है in huge quantity. So that's why every time Nifty is coming down we are seeing some recovery and that may be the reason. And talking about call writing positions खास कुछ नहीं है PropDex के तरफ से. So लेकिन call buying है. So this in this direction call PropDex are united, they are buying calls, okay. So this is where something is someone is going to win and someone is going to lose, or we might see both the sides sharp moves, okay. Talking about FIIs का जो व्यू है, so FIIs का अगर देखा जाए तो इधर इन लोगों का ओवरऑल कॉल राइटिंग पोजीशंस तो है लेकिन पुट बाइंग पोजीशन से, ठीक है. सो अभी FIIs they are bearish in option and PropDex, some PropDex are bearish, some PropDex are long. So overall the thing is that like again we have to take the help of charts, because when this type of mixed signals are coming from even the technical analysis, from EOD data analysis, some big guys are long, some big guys are short. So we should be very careful and wait for the main move, okay. So we should be very careful and so we should, if things goes up we should wait whether we should check that 19,848 is giving resistance or not. Like as you can see that day it gave resistance and sharp fall we saw. So talking about okay, let's also go into the so let's go to the option chain. Yeah, so yes, that's what we have to see, like 19,848 is it like acting as resistance or support if things are going up, and if things are going down again, as what I did today, I'll be doing the same within this region. I'll see whether it's breaking this region, that is 90,775 to 90,762 or not, okay. So that's the overall like what my idea would be for trading tomorrow's expiry. Talking about option chain, if you see here 19,800 दोनों साइड पे अभी राइटिंग पोजीशंस है, ठीक है. दोनों साइड पे कॉल राइटर्स प्रेजेंट है, लेकिन हाँ मतलब पुट राइटिंग लास्ट में कुछ ज़्यादा ही हुआ है. and or kuch call writers, they have closed their positions. And yeah, so that's the overall analysis. That is, option chain is also looking strong from the put writing side. Put side, call writing side is looking weak. So first again we might see some up move, and if there is some up move, we should look that if 19,848 is breaking or not. That's the overall thing. Then from there, try to do the analysis what fresh positions are building up tomorrow. Okay, and whether like even at 850 also you can see some put writing has been done. So whether like we are crossing even 850 or not, and then try to decide what to do next. Okay, so that's the overall analysis. Yeah, so I hope my analysis are helping you. If I see some major changes tomorrow, I'll update you on Twitter as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you want such analysis, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get the money flow indicators and also my live positions. And that's it for this video. So I hope my analysis are helping you, and thanks for watching. So don't forget to put a like, and